Yep.
It's stuff.
He's wearing a Superman cape.
Are you feeding the napkin to the parrot? That's very nice.
Cormac, Cormac, Cormac. Don't hurt me, Cormac.
He's more interested in the napkin than he is in the
That
parrot.
didn't work. Oh, Cormac. Cormac. That was your mom saying, hee.
Oh dear. That was your papa saying the same thing.
I was imitating your mom saying, hee, right? Can you say parrot? He's not. Does he look keen? Does he look keen? Okay, let's try his first piece of banana cake. Well, maybe not his first piece. Carrot, pan it, there we are. Open up. There's a family tradition for you. It's like Irish soda bread, only it's soda banana cake. Yeah, cool. Wow. You can toss it if you want. I almost threw it in the garbage because I didn't have 8 batteries to put in it. And no one's going to ever have 8 batteries. Okay. Don't want to force feed you. There we are. There. Want a piece of candle?
What's it going to do with that, Dad?
He'll eat it. He'll
Wax
eat it
won't
down.
hurt you.
That's true. The amount of FedEx packages he licks every day. We go down to the concierge and he plays with the FedEx packages.
Are they yours or just anybody else's?
Anybody else's.
And nearly never has.
And when you're older, you can have a lit candle like Uncle Marcel. The wax seems to be a hit.
He doesn't really lick them. He drums on them mostly, for the record.
We're watching. Still filming.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Hey, Cormac. If I put the bird over here and we say, look at the camera. Doesn't work. He's more interested in the
Mackie.
in the wax candle.
Mac.
Hey.
Hi.
You want to go smoke a cigar with Papa later? Jeez.
That thing's creepy.
Don't wreck the batteries.
Nightmares about
Save
that.
the bird. I'm a battery.
It may go ahead, but you